Hi, my name is Jaren Brown, and for my PH 161 research assignment, I decided to do prenatal and early childhood exposure to organophosphate pesticides and its relation to neurological problems. Let's first break down this big word. Organophosphate pesticides, or OPs, are a group of chemicals that have domestic and industrial use. Respiratory and nervous system problems can result in deaths to insects as well as being hazardous to humans. It's most commonly used as a pesticide in the U.S. and used on a number of fruits and vegetables. So that's how it affects insects and humans, because humans consume the vegetables and insects consume them as well when they're still out. OPs were first developed in the 1940s for World War II as a biological warfare agent, which goes to show that they aren't healthy for people to consume. Exposure to the substance can occur at any time. Most people that are exposed are pregnant women or children. Children are usually at risk in pregnant women because of their weakened immune systems. They can be exposed through air, food, soil, and pets. Most children that are exposed are children of farmers because of being outside and living in rural areas. Symptoms of the disease can start with impaired short-term memory and mental development, so ADHD or any neurological problems. Increased reaction time and abnormal reflexes are also a problem, and then mental and emotional problems when they're exposed to as adolescents. Current issue fates are developmental effects. OPs interfere with the healthy neurodevelopment, and this leads to behavioral problems and lower cognitive function. Children exposed are most likely to have ADHD, as mentioned earlier. Reproductive effects, as endocrine disruptors, organophosphates have a significant impact on the human reproductive system. The presence of OPs metabolized in the body associated with the levels of testosterone and other sex hormones. So exposure to OPs can also have effects on male fertility, as well as they can have the effects on pregnant women. Cancer is a large issue faced because the EPA does classify OPs as a possible human carcinogen. So similar to smoking a cigarette, carcinogens can be a problem. Carcinogens can have the same effect as OPs do on the human system. And then also Parkinson's disease can be an issue faced as well, because OPs can affect the brain, so which Parkinson's disease would be an effect of that. How to prevent pesticides. So as mentioned earlier, children of farmers can face exposure to OPs because of the rural area and having the plants and the different vegetables and fruits around. So a big way to do this is, if you are a farmer, you can use less toxic pesticides on your fruits and still be able to preserve them. And then, like I mentioned earlier, less exposure to rural areas as children.